friends, I got my hands on Chanel's It Bag. Nope, I wasn't done shopping Chanel's 24P collection. Oh, this collection has me crazy. There are so many pieces on this collection that I really wanted to get, but this particular Chanel bag was sold out before launch day. Pretty much it was only available for those VIP clients. So those who are invited before the collection launched to the public. Yeah, it was gone. Literally, I was texting my essay, do you have it? And she said, I'm sorry, it got sold out with that very important clients, which I'm not one of them. I mean, I don't really know how much you need to spend at Chanel to be considered a very important client. I do not spend a ton. I do spend somewhat, but I'm also a little bit more modest in terms of my spends. So it's not like in the past that you were able to shop the collection a little bit ahead of time, let know your client advisor which items you were eyeing or interested or pre-order. Is not like it used to be back on the time. Nowadays is very, very different. So how I ended up getting my hands on this baby, because I know for sure this is not going to be restocked. At least that's what they told me, not only at the boutique that I usually shop for, but many other boutiques, including boutiques, say at Nordstrom, big retailers. They said, sorry, this is sold out. So, do you want to guess which one I got? I'm sure on the thumbnail I had put some sort of pictures so you kind of know which bag it is, but do you want to guess which bag exactly it is? You want to guess? Leave it in the comment section and do not be tricky. Then you can edit it and, let me know, like, hey, yeah, I guess right or no. So, it is a bag that honestly, I wasn't thinking I was going to get it. Honestly, since the day that it launched, I felt like it's an okay bag, but I feel like it's just kind of like too antique of a style. But when I saw it on the runway, I was like, I really want it. That's beautiful. And it's beautiful for one big reason. So let's open it up. Oh my gosh, so excited. I honestly already opened it, unboxed it, make sure that it looks amazing and pristine. And by the way, if you're new here to my channel, welcome. My name is Jacqueline, and I love luxury. Everything from makeup, fragrances, bags. Here's the baby, as you can tell. It's little, and it is the so-called Chanel Kelly bag. Oh my gosh, in this glorious tweed. I'm sure I'm gonna be doing an unboxing also on my Instagram. It's so beautiful, and I'm very honest with you, I haven't been really like crazy about this specific bag in the leather, because first of all, I really don't like, I love the quilted leather from Chanel, but in this specific bag, I don't know, I just feel that it ages it. I really like the Kelly bag on the leather, kind of like box leather from the past, from many, many, many years ago. And also because checking on images on Instagram and other unboxings, I noticed that this Kelly bag, when it's done in leather, there is a lot of creasing already on the handles, on the sides. And if you're up to that look, that's great, but I'm not. I'm not. I don't like any creasing unless I look for that type of a specific bag, which it will be really rare for me to do so. Love the chain length. Is perfect for crossbody. I always have been wanting to add a tweed bag to my collection, and I almost did so with the previous collection. The tweeds were lighter, and I also noticed that some of the tweed was getting undone, so I decided to skip the one from the previous collection, which it was beautiful, colorful, and whatnot. And I'm so happy because I was able to get my hands on this baby. Oh my gosh. And this is not the mini size, this is the regular size. And now a question that most of you may be wondering, how do I get my hands on this baby? Well, I had to pay a premium, and I bought it from a personal shopper. She does have a YouTube channel here, and this video is not sponsored, nothing of that. She didn't give me a kickback or nothing, okay? There's nothing of that, because this is such a sought after bag that Honestly, she just sold it to me for a premium. Not gonna lie, I was a little bit nervous, for the whole transaction. She made it super easy. She was so kind. I was able to do a couple payments because, as I have always told you, my friends, I'm very sincere. The way that I buy my luxury items is with the income from my YouTube channel, from my Instagram, from my digital content creator Psychic. I don't use other funds from my regular job. The name of the channel is Orchimelia. I will be leaving the details in the description. The service was amazing. She provided with the receipt. The tag is here. Everything is in here. All the paperwork, which I'm super happy about. I already checked it inside. It's in perfect condition. Oh, let me take the paper out. So you have one big compartment, then a smaller compartment here, and then a zipper closure right here. And I'm so happy that now I got a tweed bag from Chanel in this gorgeous Kelly style. I think it looks so chic because I can wear, like I said, like shoulder, crossbody, or I can just tack in the chain and wear it top handle. So for a cocktail, a special party, it looks amazing. I need to take this sticker off. Just take it out. Let's remove. The bag is all mine and I'm just so happy for it. Oh my gosh, she's precious. She's so precious. It does have little sequins that they spark so much. You'll have to see it in person. Like I said, go and check my Instagram because I'm pretty sure I will be doing an unboxing there and you can see this beauty in all its glory. This bag is just so pretty and I haven't used it yet, but quickly, like I have my new iPhone. This is an iPhone 15 Pro, not a Pro Max. And if it's right there, I'm sure I can put perhaps, I don't know, a couple lipsticks in here. Yes, you have a lot of space to put the necessary things, like even keys and whatnot. So this is a really, really good size in general. And I'm just so happy I got it. And honestly, the premium wasn't too bad that I felt like, oh my gosh, I'm being robbed. Not at all. I'm sure if I was buying it from, say, another big pre-loved retailers, I would have paid a ton more. And another thing too is that this particular tweed is not going to come back. I know that. We are going to be seeing, no matter what, the Kelly bag being kind of like the new bag in Chanel's repertoire. So we're going to see it again in black, perhaps red, the pink, white, the typical ones. But this specific tweed, it was just too special to pass on. Okay, my friends, let me know if you have been eyeing that so-called Kelly bag. I know Chanel doesn't like for this bag to be called a Kelly bag, but everybody's calling it the Kelly bag. I think the true name is shopping bag. At least that's what it says on the receipt. So anyhow, my friends, let me know what you think about this bag. If you own a Kelly bag, whether the previous version or the new version, let's just continue that conversation in the comment section down below. While you're at it, and if you haven't done so yet and you love everything luxury, go ahead, subscribe to my channel. Make sure you ring that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. If you're on Instagram and TikTok, please come and follow me there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with family and friends. And if you're not done watching my content, well, I will be leaving a couple other videos right here that I'm sure you're going to love. Until the next time, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.